how you doing today? I'm here have a little bit of off topic, not regarding a laptop or computers. This one is regarding about the Mavic Pro 2. So I'm gonna show you guys a quick video of how to replace your ND filters. So first thing first, you want to remove the cover for your drone. Next, you want to grab your lens, just gently grab it, and you want to twist it counterclockwise. Just go on the corners and just gently twist the top part on the counterclockwise. It's gonna twist just about that much. I don't know if you guys can see that. Once you got that one up, you can go ahead and lift it up. I have the camera in my way, so it's really easy. It's not hard. You don't need any other tools. Just remove that one up. Grab your ND4 in this case, and make sure the ND number has to be on the bottom. So put it on the same offset position. Right there. Some filters go in easy and some don't, so don't worry about it. You have to push in and twist, and there you have it. So these are the new ND filters. Doesn't matter what brand, what company makes it, they all go in the same way. And if you want to take it out, same thing, twist it and remove it, and put the original one back. So, and this is all. That's how you change your filter, ND filters for your drone or Mavic Pro 2. Alright guys, I hope you guys like this video. If you liked it, thumbs up and click that like button. And if you have any more questions, if you want anything else, let me know in the comments, and I'll see you guys in my next video.